The dreamer who reached for the stars, Konstantin Tsiolkovsky. Once upon a time, in a little Russian village called Ijevskoye, a boy named Konstantin Tsiolkovsky was born on September 17, 1857. He was a curious child who loved tinkering with ideas, but life wasn't always easy. A serious illness, scarlet fever, left him partially deaf, and that meant he couldn't go to regular school like other kids. But did that stop him? Not at all. Konstantin became his own teacher. He spent hours in libraries, diving into science and math books. Later, he studied at the Moscow Technical School, where his imagination really took off. When he grew up, Konstantin became a math and physics teacher in a quiet town called Kaluga. By day, he taught students. By night, he dreamed of rockets, space travel, and worlds beyond Earth. His big achievements. In 1903, he wrote a paper that introduced the famous rocket equation, the key to how rockets fly into space. He imagined multi-stage rockets, just like the ones that later carried astronauts to the moon. He dreamed up space stations, airlocks, and even space elevators, long before they became part of real science. That's why today he is called the Father of Astronautics. Konstantin wasn't just a scientist, he was a visionary. He once said, "Earth is the cradle of humanity, but one cannot live in a cradle forever." He believed humans were destined to explore the universe. Fun and lesser-known facts. He loved writing science fiction stories to bring his space ideas to life. Even though he was a genius, he lived a very simple life in a small house. Many of his wild ideas, like life support systems in spaceships, turned out to be exactly what astronauts would one day need. On September 19, 1935, at the age of 78, Tsiolkovsky passed away. But his dreams lived on. Every rocket that launches today carries a spark of his imagination into the stars.